Operators in Java. In Java, operators are special symbols used to perform operations on variables and values. To do any operation on the variables and the values, we need the special symbols which are called as the operators. The Java is split into various operators. The first one is the arithmetic operators, used for basic mathematical operations. To do the basic mathematical operations, we are using arithmetic operators like this one. Plus symbol, it is performing the addition operation. 10 plus 5, here the answer is the 15. Minus symbol, this is called a subtraction. 10 minus 5, the value is a 5. Hashtag symbol, this symbol is called as a multiplication. 10 into 5, 50. Next, division symbol, 10 by 5, the value is a 2. The percentage symbol, this is called as a modulus operator or the mod operator, which is called as remainder here. 10 mod 3, the value is a 1. Means in the case of the 10 mod 3 point of view, it is doing the division operation, means it is charging the remainder value here. The value is a 1. Plus plus. The plus plus is called as the increment operator. Minus minus is called as a decrement operator. Whenever there is a plus plus, the value can be incremented by 1, adds 1. Whenever there is a minus minus, it decrements the value by the 1 here. Means subtracts 1. It is doing the adds 1 and it is doing the subtracts 1 here. Here I wrote the one simple code. Integer num1 equals to 10, num2 equals to 3 here. Integer sum equals to num1 plus num2. The num1 value is a 10 and the num2 value is a 3 here. 10 plus 3, the value is a 13. 13 is stored in the sum variable. System.out.println addition plus sum. The output is 13. Next, integer difference equals to num minus num2. Number 1 value is a 10, number 2 value is a 3 here. 10 minus 3, the value is a 7. System.out.println subtraction difference. The difference value is a 7. Integer product equals to num1 into num2. The num1 value is a 10, num2 value is a 3 here. 10 into 3, the value is a 30. System.out.println multiplication plus product. The multiplication also is a 30. Integer quotient equals to num1 by num2. The num1 value is a 10, the num2 value is 3 here. 10 by 3, the value is a 3 here. The division quotient, the value is a 3. Integer k equals to 8, k minus minus. Minus minus means decrement the k value by 1. The current k value is 8, now this value becomes as 7 here. System.out.println, the decrement operation value is 7. Integer l equals to 8. Minus minus l. System.out.println decrement, the value is 7. The 7 will display. The plus plus adds 1, whereas the minus minus subtract the 1. These are our arithmetic operators. Come to the second one, relational operators. The relational operators main duty is it is doing the comparison. To do the comparison purpose, we are using the relational operators. The result of the relational expression is always, it may be the true value or the false value. See the relational operators. Equal symbol. A double equals to B. True if equal means whenever both the A B are equal, then the answer is the true value. Not equals to. A is not equals to B. True if not equals means whenever the A value and the B value are not same, then the written value is a true here. Greater than. A is greater than B. True if A is greater than B. Whenever the A value is greater than B, then the answer is the true value. Less than. A less than B. A less than B is true if A is less than B. Whenever the A is less than B case, the answer is a true value. Greater than or equals to. If A is greater than or equals to B, return the true value. Otherwise, return the false value. Less than or equals to. If A is less than or equals to B, then return the true value. Otherwise, return the false value. Now see this one. I give one simple code. Integer A equals to 10, B equals to 20. System.out.println A double equals to B. A equals to B. What is the A value? 10. What are the b value? 20. 10 equals to 20. False. A equals b value is a false. A is not equals to b. 10 is not equals to 20. Yes, the condition is true. The relational operators return the true value or the false value. Come to the logical operators. To combine the multiple Boolean expressions, whenever if you want to combine the more than one Boolean expression, at the time we are using logical operators here. Two ampersand symbols. This is called as a logical AND. If both the statements are true, then the result will be the true here. Otherwise, the result will be the false. In the case of the logical AND point of view, whenever the first operand and the second operand both are true, the answer is true. Otherwise, the answer is false value. Come to this symbol, two bypass symbol. This is called as a logical operator. If any one statement is true, then the result will be the true. Otherwise, if both the statements are false, then the result will be the false here. In the case of the logical point of view, if at least one operand value is true, then the answer is the true value. Otherwise, the answer is the false value. Means whenever both are false, then the answer is false value. Not. Not is given the opposite value here. Logical not symbol. Reverse the result here. Means if the result is true, then it shows the false value. And if the result is false, then it shows the true value here. This is about the logical operators. I gave a simple code here. Public class test, public static void main string args, boolean a equals to true, boolean b equals to false. The a value is true, the b value is a false value. System.out.println a and b means the a value is true and the b value is a false here. True and false, the answer is a false value. Assume here the b value is a true value. Then true and true, the answer is true. In the case of the AND point of view, whenever both the operands are true, then only the answer is true value. If at least one operand has been failed, it is not working, then the answer is the false value. Come to the assignment operator. The assignment operator duty is to assign the values to the variables. To give the values to the variables, to provide the values to the variables, we are using the assignment operator. The symbol is the equal symbol. A equals to B means the B value is assigned to the A here. Assign B to A. Next, plus equals to. These are called as the shorthand assignment operators. A plus equals to B. That is nothing but A equals to A plus B. A minus equals to B. That is nothing but A equals to A minus B. A star equals to B means A equals to A into B. Division operation. A equals to A divided by B. Next, A mod equals to B. Remember, A equals to A mod B. The assignment operator's main duty is to assign the result to the variables or values to the corresponding expression data. Or that we are using the assignment operators. See this one. I am providing a simple code. Integer A equals to 10, B equals to 20, C equals to 0, C equals to A plus B. What is A plus value? 30. The C value becomes as 30. Next, system.out.println C equals to A plus C. What is C value? 30. That is also. C plus equals to A. C plus equals to A. That is nothing but C equals to C plus A. What is the current C value? 30. What is A value? 10. 10 plus 30. The value becomes as a 40. The answer is 40. Next, C minus equals to A. C equals to C minus A. What would the C value? 40. 40 minus 10. The value becomes as a 30. Means the current C value is a 30. Next, C into equals to A. 30 into 10. The value is a 300. These are the answers are there. Next, come to the next operator. Bitwise operators. Here the name is saying that these operators working at the bit level only. They are not working on the The bitwise operators performs operations at the bit level. The bit level meaning is whenever we are working on the values here. First of all, those values are coming in the binary format, and it is doing the operations here. Now see this one. The first operator is the ampersand symbol. The single ampersand symbol is called as the bitwise AND. Means OP1 and OP2. The single pipeline symbol is called as a bitwise OR, and this caret symbol is called as the bitwise exclusive OR, and this is called as a bitwise complement symbol. And two less than symbol, this is called as a bitwise shift left shift operation, and two greater symbol, this is called as a bitwise shift right here. Next, these symbols are called as a bitwise right shift, but the zero has been filled in here. This is about the bitwise operators. Now see this one. I give one simple example here. Integer a equals to 60, integer b equals to 13, and integer c equals to 0. C equals to a and b. A and b is nothing but the a value is converted to the binary format. This is the binary value of the 60 here, and this is the binary value of the 13 here. It is doing the AND operation. 0 and 1, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 1 and 1, 1, 1 and 1, 1, 1 and 0, 0, 1 and 0, 0, 1 and 0, 0 here. Means double 1, double 0. That is nothing but the value is a 12. The answer for this one. Next, C equals to A or B. A or B is nothing but do the OR operation. 0 or 1, the value is the 1. 0, 1 or 1, 1, 1 or 1, 1, 1 or 0, 1, 1 or 1, 1. The remainder is 0, 0, 3. This is answer. Double 0, double 1, double 1, 0, 1. This value is nothing but 61. See this one. These are the outputs of them. 12 and 61. Let's come to the next operator, ternary operator. Short form as an if else statement. It is just working like the if else statement. Condition, question mark, value if true, value if false. Its meaning is that whenever the condition is true, then this block will be executed. If the condition is false, then the final block will be executed. Whenever the condition is true, execute this block. Execute this expression number 2. When the condition is false, then execute the expression number 3. That is about the value if else here. This is the expression 1, expression 2, and this is the expression 3. Now see this one. Integer result equals to a is greater than b. Question mark a colon b. A is greater than b. Whenever the a is greater than b is true, then the a value is given to the result here. If the a is greater than b is false, then the b value is stored in the result here. Depending upon this condition only, which one will be executed. This is called as a ternary operator. Now see this one. I give one more example. Package com.myam.test. Public class Java example number 1 2. Integer age equals to 10. Whatever the age value 10. I have provided the age value as 10 here. String result equals to age greater than b. What is age value 10? 10 is greater than 18. False. When the condition is false, else block means no, you cannot vote here. System.out.println result. The result will display. If I am providing the age value as 20, 20 is greater than 10. The condition is true. When the condition is true, yes, you can vote here. Means if this condition is true, execute the expression number 2. If it is false, then execute the expression number 3 here. This is about the ternary operator. The come to the next operator, instance of operator. Checks if object is an instance of a specified class. We are checking that whether this object can be derived from the corresponding class or not. If it is derived, then the answer is a true value. If it is not derived, then the answer is a false value. If obj is instance of string here, system.out.println, it is a string. I give the one simple code here. See this one. Class my class. The class name is the my class. After that, public class instance of example. Public static void string args. My class obj equals new my class. For this my class, we are creating the object. The object name is obj. System.out.println obj. Print the obj value. What is obj here? Here the obj is instance of my class here. Obj is instance of my class. Yes. Then the answer is true here. Next, come to the next one. Operators, precedence, and associate. Precedence meaning is the priority. Operator precedence determines the order of evaluation for different operators. Whenever there are the different operators out there, to evaluate which operator first, that is called as operator precedence. The associative meaning is the order of operators with the same precedence. Whenever we are having the same level of operators at this level only, then the better do is leave the platform. If you apply second one here, for the second point of view, see this one, this is starting, this is the ending here, and upload the data. This is the operator precedence and associated table. This is a very simple one here. The very first highest symbol is the unit operators here. Regular postfix operators like this one. Parentheses, square brackets, gas port. These are called as a secondary bottom layer. The next one is unit operators. Plus plus and minus minus plus complement and negation component here. And this is also the right left associativity. Come to the third one. Multiplication, division, modulation. And these are having the left right associativity and additive. The relational database and equality equals to double not equals to bitwise and are exclusive are logical and the condition two statements also. See this one, integer a equals to 10, b equals to 5, c equals to 1. C equals to a plus 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 minus plus plus b. First execute this one here. Plus plus c, the value becomes as 2. Plus plus c, the value becomes as 6. Next after that, a minus c, 10 minus 2, the value is 8. Plus b minus c, that is nothing but, and this value is 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 8 minus 6, the value is 2. I give one more example. Integer a comma b comma c semicolon. A equals to b, b equals to c equals to 2 here. See this one here, same operators. Now in this point of view, association. What is association? Right to left here. First of all, the 2 will be assigned. After that, b equals to c. And what was c value? Then the b gets the value of the c here. That is b equals to 2 here. Next. System.out.println and print the ABC values. This is about the operators preceding association.